What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be covering two CNFT projects that I believe have huge potential. But before I dive into that, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to not miss out on a single NFT video. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at ApeCryptoYT, and also follow my own project, Nerds and Virgins, with the username at NerdsCNFT. So the first project I'll be talking about today is FudBuddies, which is dropping on the 27th of February 2022, and it has picked up quite a bit of hype and has a lot of people talking in the CNFT space with 5,000 followers and huge engagement on their posts. And I believe this is because of two reasons. One, because of the art. It's very appealing, yet simple, but just very eye-catching, and I personally love it myself, and it seems that the whole CNFT community do as well. This is a simple reason, but a valid reason, as attraction to these NFTs is a huge part. If the NFT is not visually attractive, it most likely will not do well unless it has some form of utility, like Rat Style for example. But yeah, they've definitely nailed it with this style, and it's something that I'm personally fond of and want to get my hands on. Another big appeal and a reason why I believe this project will be successful as well is because of the team in Jax, Lewis and Max, who are well-known people in the CNFT community. If you follow the CNFT space on Twitter, you'd know Jax, a part of DJ Crypto Club, which is one of the most successful CNFT projects of all time, and he is a well-respected member of the CNFT community. Next, we have Lewis, who's the artist, FudBuddies, and was also the artist for Def Squad, which is another established CNFT project, and he is another accredited person in the CNFT community. And they've actually got a post on the FudBuddies Twitter explaining who he is, his previous work, and he actually doxes himself. I'll leave the link in the description to the FudBuddies Twitter and check this out yourself. And they also have Max, who is the co-founder of Universe25 and is a respected member in the CNFT community with a respected project which is big as well. Universe25, as you can see, 6,000 followers. So with an established, well-respected team that are proven to be capable and awesome, very eye-appealing art, along with popularity, 5,300 followers on Twitter and 7,800 members in their Discord, I'm very confident in the success of this project, and I do believe it'll most likely give promising returns. Is that guaranteed? No, of course not. But this is just my opinion, and this is an NFT collection that I'll be looking forward in minting. In terms of a roadmap, they actually don't have one because they're looking to achieve and deliver greatness in the CNFT space without the limitations of a generic roadmap. This is relatively common approach, first done by Zombie Chains, and with my own project, Nerds and Virgins, I've done this as well. This allows project creators to be a bit more creative without the time constraint and without the expectation of a certain thing. Does this mean they're going to do the mint and then do nothing after? No, this means they'll be working behind the scenes with no limitations or expectations, and they'll pop out of nowhere with something awesome. And with this team, I have no doubt that will happen. Recently, if you've been following Lewis, you'd have seen that they had a bit of FUD. People saying that they copied other projects and all that, but he cleared that up, and this is personally something that I don't think is that much of a big deal. And this takes nothing away from Lewis or FudBuddies. So overall, I really like this project, and this is a project that I'll be looking to mint. You are looking to mint this as well. For one, do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. And two, make sure you check out the links in my description. I'll leave their website, their Discord, and their Twitter all in the description for you to check out yourself. The second project that I'll be talking about today is Overexposed. And this is a very different but very interesting project that has recently blown up in popularity, and I can see this continuing. So there's not much information about this project other than it says Filming the Unfilmed, a Cardano NFT project in the description. There's no website, there's no Discord, only a Twitter and an Instagram. No real information other than awesome previews. As you can see on the screen, the art quality is absolutely amazing. And with the little information so far, this is the big appeal, and for me, this is enough given the absolute quality of this. And this has gotten huge engagement, is the reason why they've got almost 4,000 followers in a real short amount of time. The art quality and just how amazing everything is with these pieces really is attracting a lot of eyes, and rightfully so. I didn't even believe this was a Cardano project when I saw this. So it has me very impressed and very intrigued, and I cannot wait to keep up with this. They have no mint date installed, they have no Discord, none of that, but this is something I'll definitely be looking for, and I'll 100% keep you all up to date on the when the Discord is, when the release is, when the whitelist is, and yeah, this is something I'm definitely looking forward to. I don't have much else to say other than that they've gained a lot of popularity and the artwork is amazing, but these are all promising signs in a successful CNFT project, and I'll definitely be keeping eagle eyes on the development of this project. If you want to as well, to be the first in on the information coming out, you can put on a little notification every time they make a post. So you can do that so you can be first to see the announcements. Because I have a feeling once the Discord opens up and all that juicy stuff, it will be a big race to get those whitelists. So if you're looking to get this project, that is something you should definitely be interested in. I'll leave the link to their Instagram and their Twitter in the description because that's all I can leave at the moment. But when they do come out with their Discord, their website and all that, I'll make sure to update the description and put those new links in. I'll be covering this again when more developments come out, so stay tuned for that and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. So anyway guys, that's it for today's video. What do you think of FudBuddies and what do you think of Overexposed? Do you think these projects will be successful? And if you do, let me know why in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and most importantly you found it valuable, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. My name is APE Crypto, I'm the leader of Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all next time.